Okay, so I am gonna prepare a meal with Justmeats. You know I love Justmeats, right? I love their food, I love their items, I love their meats because it's quick and it's easy. All you have to do is just top your food. You can put the meats on tacos, salad, rice, pasta, noodles. Make your meal and top your meats with Justmeats. It is so quick and easy. It's already made and it's very high in protein, low fat, low carbs, but very high in protein. And that's what you need in order to like maintain or, you know, lose weight and everything like that. So I love the fact that it's very high in protein. That's what we need, right? So yeah, just check it out. I'm gonna link everything down below. All right, food with Justmeats. I got the order and I love it. I placed an order for something just quick because, you know, working from home, being a mom, you just want some times where you just want to make a quick meal. So I placed an order with Justmeats and I love it. So I got it. I bought chicken, teriyaki chicken, Hawaiian beef, roasted pork, and I believe Texas beef brisket. So that's gonna be really good for like tacos. So I cannot wait and make that. And just so all you need to do with Justmeats, right? Just top your meal, you know, with the meats. So let's say you make your sides or you make your meal like rice, pasta. All you have to do is just add the meat. Just warm it up either in the microwave for like 3 minutes or put it on a pan or like a skillet and put a little bit of oil and warm it up for like 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. Top your food and you're good to go. Isn't that fantastic? Just love it. So as a quick lip gloss fix, right? All right, so what I'm gonna make tonight for dinner, I'm going to make tacos using my Justmeats. This is Hawaiian chicken teriyaki. I'll put it up here. So this is roasted chicken thighs and teriyaki sauce. And what's so good about it is that it comes with its own sauce. So this is the sauce right here. The chicken, ooh, delicious. I cannot wait to make my tacos. And also, you know, it's like ready cut up for you. It's already made. All you have to do is just heat it up and pour the sauce on it. And the sauce has a cover, so you don't have to like put too much. And you are good to go. So yeah, that is going to be dinner. So again, it's from Justmeats. And what I love about it is that all you have to do is cook your sides or your meal and just add the meats. Isn't that fantastic? Being a mom, you always want something quick and easy, right? Especially when your kids are like doing their homework or, you know, you have something that you need to do. You just heat this up, top it over your meal, and you're good to go. So that's what I'm going to do. This will be my taco. So I will take you along with me as I do prepare my meal for tonight. All right, let's start cooking. All right. So it comes in a packaged, in a cooler, like packaged, and you can see it is protected, well protected. It takes about 5 to 7 business days for you to get the delivery. So let's keep digging in and see what else we got. Okay. Oh, we have herb roasted chicken breast. Oh, this is going to be nice. My daughter's going to love this. And it's really good. You can see the protein, 36 grams. That's fantastic. And it's no fuss, just ready and put it in the microwave, and it does come with its own sauce. Okay, so let's keep opening. Hi, this is Hawaiian chicken teriyaki. This is going to be really nice with rice. I love this. This is 28 grams of protein, 220 calories. Okay, this is herb roasted pork. This is going to be nice with like noodles for like a rainy day. Cannot wait. Okay, this is Hawaiian teriyaki beef. This is gonna be nice with like taco day. This is good. Okay, this is smoked Texas brisket. This is gonna be nice as well for tacos or rice. I love this. I'm going to have the herb roasted pork with jasmine rice. All right, let's get into it. Let's add some cilantro for the finishing touch. And I'm gonna add sriracha sauce, because why not? I love my food spicy. All right, this is my dinner. I have my carbs or rice. Oh, this looks yummy. Let's have some cucumber as well. Oh. My daughter says she wants Hawaiian chicken instead, so I'm going to have my daughter's gonna have the Hawaiian chicken teriyaki. Okay, this is for my daughter. She wants the Hawaiian chicken teriyaki. So we're gonna top it off with rice. My dinner with Justmeats. This is Hawaiian chicken teriyaki, and it comes with the sauce. And we are going to top it off with some green onions. And then I'm going to add some cilantro as well. Let's add some cilantro for the finishing touch. And I'm going to add sriracha sauce, because delicious. Okay, let's add some sriracha sauce because my daughter loves spicy food like her mom. Yum. And this is just meats are, you know, very high in protein as well. And what I like about it, the calories, the protein intake, the fat, they're all on the front and is in large printing. So this is smoked Texas brisket. Yummy. Comes with its own sauce. Ooh, this is lovely.